can do all kinds of wonderful things with cartoons to grab attention. Now that I have yours, let me give you one of the biggest challenges businesses face. You're too close to your business to know how to present a compelling story that sells and an offer that converts. You just can't see it. Does that make sense? Since AdToons has worked in close to 75 niches and created 1,000 videos, our 4-step process will pull out your story and assemble a compelling offer to help you sell more business. If you know your business needs a story that magnetically attracts your ideal customer to entertain and educate them, run over to AdToons. While there, you can download a bunch of our freebies to create a killer video presentation. Do it now while it's top of mind. Or if you're ready to go yesterday, text us at 419-260-2308.